Hello mga ka-solar, we're doing another review, product testing of Anern Evo 4.2 kilowatt. This is a 24 volt system. This is a hybrid on-grid, off-grid inverter. It can power without battery. So there is no battery input right now, but it is working. So the power is on. Currently, the utility is not blinking. It means that it is in an off-grid mode. So, in a hybrid off-grid mode. So, if we want to use the grid time mode, we change the settings. Number 37. 37. We change this to hybrid. Okay, now it's on. Go back to the main menu. Now as you can see, the utility icon is flashing. It means that it is sending power to the grid. BP means that there is no battery. So you can check the production. 5.6 amperes, 1275 watts. Then let's see the meter. As you can see, the meter is traveling in reverse. It means it is sending power to the grid. So this only proves that this is a hybrid on-grid off-grid inverter. Now let's turn off again the utility. We turn off the hybrid mode, so it will function as totally off-grid. Now this is off. We'll check the power production. So it's now minimal, but as you can see, you check the meter, it's not anymore reversing in power, so it's not exporting energy to the grid. So it's just normally operating as a hybrid off-grid inverter. So this is also Wi-Fi capable. You can turn on, turn off the settings and adjust the settings via Smart ESS. So that's it. Thank you for watching.